Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Desilawati NPM 2441210. I'm from AKT 24A class. Here I want to discuss material about thinking like a scientist in economic. Economists have two main roles, namely as scientists and as police advisor. The following is a brief explanation of each of these roles. Economic scientist. In proposing as a scientist, economy focus on developing theories and understanding how economic system function. They conduct research, collect data, and analyze information to identify patterns, relationships, and trends in economic behavior. Police advisor. As police advisor, economic use their knowledge and research finding to provide recommendation to policy makers such as government or other institutions. Apart from that, economists also use models and assumptions. The meaning of model and assumption is: model is a simple representation of reality that is used to explain, analyze, and predict economic behavior. Model can be graph, mathematical equation, or computer simulation that describe the relationship between various economic variables. Assumption are statements or conditions that are considered true for the purpose of analysis. These assumptions often simply will complexity so that the model can be used more effectively. There are two kinds of models. The first is the model. The circulation flow diagram are often referred to as the economic circulation model. Describe the interaction between various sectors in the economy. This diagram usually consists of several key elements that show the flow of goods, services, and money between households, companies, and the government. The second, the production possibility frontier (PPF), so the combination of two goods or services that can be product efficiency. PPF help in understanding the concept of efficiency, opportunity cost, and trade-off in production. PPF from outward cropping curve show increasing opportunity cost when producing more of one good. Star line show the fixed opportunity cost between two goods. Inward cropping curve show the decreasing opportunity cost of producing more of one good. PPF shift to the right show an increases in production capacity, for example due to the addition of new research or technology. Shift to the left indicates the decrease in production capacity, for example due to a natural disaster or a decrease in research. Understanding micro and macroeconomic and positive and normative economic. Microeconomic is a branch of economics that studies the behavior of individuals and small economic units, such as household, firm, and specific market. Macroeconomics is a branch of economics that studies the economy as a whole, include total output, unemployment, inflation, economic growth, and economic policy. Positive economic is a branch of economics that focus on the analysis and description of existing economic phenomena. It seeks to explain what is happening in the economy based on fact and data. Normative economy. Normative economy is a branch of economy that focus on assessment and recommendation regarding economic policy. It seeks to answer what would be done in an economic context. That's all the discussion about thinking like a scientist in economics. Hopefully it's useful for all of you. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.